We're putting the three most popular decking materials head to head. But here's the thing, we're not just showing you day one, we're looking at what they actually look like, how much they cost to maintain, and what your investment is really worth after a decade of real use. On day one, all three look fantastic. Your pressure-treated deck has that beautiful golden color. Composite looks pristine and uniform. And Ipe? It's got this rich, deep brown with natural grain character that a lot of people love. Here's what you're actually spending. 200 square feet of pressure-treated deck runs about $1,200. Composite gets you to around $3,000 installed. And Ipe material? About $4,500. At this point, Ipe costs the most. But watch what happens next. By year 3, things are getting interesting. That pressure-treated deck? It's turning gray, and you're starting to see some cracking. You've already had it stained 3 times now. Composite is holding up okay. It still looks pretty decent. You're seeing some minor scratching, but nothing major yet. The Ipe? Here's where it gets good. It's either developed this beautiful, elegant silver patina naturally, or if you've done the optional annual oiling, it still looks like day one with that rich chocolate color. 0 repairs needed. At 5 years, the reality of maintenance costs starts hitting hard. Your pressure-treated deck is warping and splitting. You're looking at replacing some boards. That's money and time out of your pocket. Your total maintenance so far? We're at about $2,500, and you're not done. Composite is showing fading in the sun-exposed areas. It still works, but it's starting to look its age. The good news? No repairs yet. Ipe? Structurally, it's virtually unchanged. 0 repairs. 0 replacement boards. It's just getting stronger and denser with age. That's the nature of tropical hardwood. Here's where the story really changes. After 10 years, we need to talk about total cost of ownership. Your pressure-treated deck? It may need a complete rebuild. You're looking at another $1,200 plus materials and labor. Your total 10-year cost? Over $6,000. And you've had to stain and seal it 8 to 10 times. Composite? Still functional, but it's showing its age with noticeable wear, fading, and some mold growing in the shady areas. Your total cost sits around $3,200, mainly from the initial investment. Ipe looks virtually identical to year 1. You've spent about $5,000 total, including the optional annual oiling. But here's the thing. While you've been maintaining and replacing boards on the other two, Ipe is just sitting there, getting stronger. It's genuinely one of the hardest woods on the planet. Now project this out 25 years. That pressure-treated deck? You're looking at 2 full rebuilds. You're probably over $12,000 in total investment and countless weekend maintenance projects. Composite is reaching the end of its warranty, and frankly, it's showing its age. You're probably thinking about replacement. Ipe? Still going strong. Because tropical hardwood can last up to 75 plus years with minimal maintenance, your initial investment is still holding up. That's not just a deck, that's generational infrastructure. Let's break this down in one quick comparison. Upfront cost. PT is cheapest at $1,200, Composite at $3,000, Ipe at $4,500. 10-year cost tells a different story. PT climbs to $6,000 with all the maintenance and repairs. Composite, $3,200. Ipe, about $5,000 including optional oiling. Lifespan. PT gives you 10 to 15 years. Composite offers a 25-year warranty. EPE, up to 75 plus years of reliable performance. Maintenance. PT needs constant attention. Staining, sealing, repairs. Composite, minimal upkeep but scratches are permanent. Ipe, optional annual oiling keeps it looking new, or let it silver naturally with 0 maintenance. Other factors matter too. On a hot day, Composite can hit 160 degrees or more, too hot to walk on barefoot. Ipe stays cooler. Ipe's Janka hardness rating of 3,684 means it resists damage that would dent the others. And Ipe carries a Class A fire rating, the highest available. Ready to build a deck that actually lasts? Head to ipewoods.com to compare pricing and browse our complete Ipe decking selection. You can also call us at 1-844-6744-455. Let's build something that'll outlast your mortgage.